Namaste everyone, and in this video we will be taking up part number 5, that is the washer. So the diagram is not very clear, but let us see how what we can make out of it and make it in SolidWorks. New part, of course, we'll have to take and ensure the units are set to mmgs. Go for sketch and choose front plane. And the washer, even though it looks like this, okay, let's make it in the same orientation. First, of course, we'll take a center line. Start from here, go straight here, then take a line, start here. Let's make it into a box first. Now this width is 8. Let's go for dimensions. 8. And diameter is 14.5, 35. Let's go for diameter. This side 14.5 and 35. So we still have a small radius over here. It's round, and we have a cut like this over there in the middle. Let's take a line, draw an inclined line like this. Use trim option to remove these edges. This angle is 90, so let's go ahead, give this angle, because we are taking half of it, it has to be 45. And this diameter is 25, so this point diameter 25. Once again, you can see it has become completely black. Okay, so let's go ahead and choose features, revolve. Because the axis was already there, it has already created it like that. So now there is this part is slightly rounded off. You can see at the bottom over here. Let's take that fillet of 4 radius. Alright, let's go for fillet. This, okay, not this, this edge, and radius as 4. That looks good. Save it again in the same folder as screw jack with the name washer. That's it for this video. In the next video we will take up the assembly of all these parts that we have created. Thank you.